Hello, fellow Rosarians. Thank you for joining me. It feels like it is raining bare roots at my house right now. I typically ask for my bare root shipment the first week in March. The ground isn't frozen and I haven't had a problem, so I like to jump on it really quick. So this is my 7th unboxing in a matter of days, and today we are ordering from a vendor that I haven't yet ordered from. So this is from the Greenhouse, and on their site they have I think it was only 5 bare roots. Let me look at my list here real quick. When they opened up their shipments here a couple weeks ago, they only offered Distant Drums, Honey Dijon, Coco Loco, and Love Song. Is this a small business? Yes. Are you going to talk to the same person whenever you reach out? Yes. And they have put up with me contacting them relentlessly, asking when they were going to open up their site. So they're really kind and easy to work with. They have bare root roses. They're grafted on Dr. Huey. They will have own root, but they will be potted, and they're going to offer 31 own root potted varieties in the next coming weeks. So let's talk about the ordering experience. When the site opened up, it was very easy to click it, put it in your cart, and be on your way. They offer lots of different options. I know a lot of you like PayPal. They do offer PayPal. They offer Amazon Pay. They offer Shop Pay. They offer Facebook Pay. They don't care. They just want to make it easy for you. So that is really nice, and I hope all of the vendors start offering a lot of different options. They offer free shipping as soon as you hit $99. So let's go ahead and get into this unboxing before I lose all of the light for today. So this was not their fault, but I can tell that the carrier did an Ace Ventura on it in an elevator, and I was joking with the folks over there on my Facebook page that I was worried that it shipped, and it's been in shipment now for, I don't know, 8 days or so, and it got stuck in Chicago, and so we've had a lot of jokes about who its new mom might be that and they planted it in their yard, and I'm like, that's cool, go ahead. If that rose has picked somebody else to be their mom, I hope that they just come and join Rose Geeks so that they can learn all that they need to take care of that baby. So here we are opening this. Oh, so I have a concern already looking at this. I'm not seeing a bag. So they have included the garden provisions. So they have a little helpful cheat sheet here on how to take care of your roses. Did I really have it? It's telling me I had a coupon. I don't remember having a coupon that I used on this. All right, so let's look at this. Okay. So I don't see this very often. It's happened, I think, with one other vendor where they don't enclose the canes in a bag, but just the bottom portion of the roots is in a bag, and I can tell that there's humidity in here, and it looks like they've also included some kind of wood chips, I guess, to help it. That's just going to add additional weight to the box. So the concern with this is that the canes need to stay moist also through shipment until the entire rose is going to get hydrated when we put it in water. It just helps it, and especially for this longer trip where it got lost in Chicago for a couple of more days, I would have a less concern about that amount of time if the entire bag was enclosed, but the roots are still moist, so that's great. The canes look very nice. I'm not seeing any kind of growth or knotting or anything like that. Let's look at the canes themselves. What do we look for when we unbox a rose? Let me go ahead and pop that up here. It's the same thing. We're looking to make sure that we got the variety that we chose. We are looking for a grade 1 rose, which means it should have 3 canes the size of a pencil. These canes are really a good size, and I definitely have, I have 4 canes here. So we're good there. I'm looking to make sure that the crown is not soft to indicate that there's any kind of rot. I'm also making sure that the canes are nice and firm. In both cases, yes, we are happy. The canes are firm. the crown is firm, the roots look good, and it has stayed moist through shipment. So I think that this is a nice looking rose, and I hope that you all will consider ordering from the greenhouse in the future. So let's go ahead and get into what rose I bought. I bought Honey Dijon. I know that Matt from High Country won't mind if I read his description posted on his site. It says, a perennial favorite of designers and florists for its versatility as a cut flower, Honey Dijon makes a gardener look like a professional. I want to look like a professional, so I'm glad I got this in my yard. Large honey and russet-tinged blooms are high-centered and packed with petals, topped off by a strong, fruity fragrance. Honey Dijon is a unique must-have for any garden, and its parents are stainless steel and Singing in the Rain. It's going to be 4 foot by 3 foot. So let's go ahead really quick and look at the pricing for this rose. What we're doing for all of our roses that we're buying from this year is we are saying if I buy 5 roses, take into account all the discounts that are available, how much did that rose cost with shipping and everything, so that we can make an educated decision in the fall who we'd like to buy from. So the rose is $30. On my receipt, it's saying I got a $5 coupon. I can't remember how I got that $5 coupon, but it is free. Shipping is free for $99. So 5 roses is $150. With the $5 coupon, it is $145. The shipping is free, so the total cost is $145. If we look at that total rack and stack now against all of the other bare root vendors that we've bought from this season, we find that Witherspoon is still the most cost effective at $135. Greenhouse is next, and then Palatine. So in the event that you're choosing between vendors, hopefully this pricing will help you make a decision who you want to buy from. So I hope this video was helpful. I know that we're going to be doing more unboxings in the next week. I think the next one will be from Rag & Nursery. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, I hope you'll consider doing so, and I will plan on seeing you in the next one.